How do you add 62 plus 33? In this lesson, you will learn how to add numbers by using partial sums in expanded form. Let's review. We know that we can write an addition problem. 6 plus 4 equals 10. And we can also change it around where we start with the sum. 10 is equal to 6 plus 4. We also know that 342 is written in standard form, but we also know that we can break those numbers apart and know that the 3 and that number is worth 300s. The 4 would be in the tens place, and the 2 would be in the ones place. We know that we can represent this number 342 with our place value blocks. We also know that that 3 in the hundreds place is worth 300. The 4 in the tens place is having a value of 40, and the 2 is worth simply 2. We can also write that number using its values in expanded form by adding addition signs between the numbers. So 300 plus 40 plus 2 is the expanded form of 342. A common misunderstanding is thinking that the digit 6 in 68 has a value of 6 rather than 60. We can pull apart numbers to find their value. So how can I use partial sums to help me solve addition problems? Why don't you use what you already know about expanded form to help you solve addition problems? Oh, that's a good idea. So we can use the 3 hops of expanded form addition as a strategy to help us solve addition problems. The first thing we are going to do is expand each add-in. Next, we will add down each column to find the partial sum. And finally, we will add the row of partial sums to find the sum. So, watch as I do. 27 plus 52. It's written here vertically for me, but I'm going to start with the first top of our strategy. And I'm going to expand the form of 27. And I hear 20 and 7. So I can simply say 20 plus 7. And then I'm going to add 52. Ooh, I heard 50 and 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the second step. And I'm going to say and start adding down from my ones. 7 plus 2 is 9. And if I know 5 plus 2 is 7, I would also know that 50 plus 20 is 70. I could also just say 50 and count by 10, 60, 70. Now I'm going to find my sum. Something is equal to 70 plus 9. I could push those numbers together and see that that would be 79. Woohoo! Now, let's work together as we do 68 plus 31. Let's think about our strategy. The first thing we do is expand the number. And in this case, it's 68. So I would break it from 60 plus 8. And how would we break the next one? Oh, good job. 30 plus 1. That's what I would do too. Now the next step is that we add down, beginning with the ones place. 8 and 1 more makes, you're right, it's 9. And if you know that 6 plus 3 is, then you will know that 60 plus 30 is, you're right, 90. Now we're ready to find the sum by adding these partial sums, these add-ins. So something is equal to 90 plus 9. Let's push the cards together. Did you get 99? All right, good job. Now let's do another we do. We do 36 plus 36. We're going to start with the first thing on the start is expand the form. Yeah, we're going to expand that number. 36, we'll have 30 plus 6 plus, yes, 30 plus 6 more. Now we're going to add down, beginning with the ones place. 6 plus 6 is, wow, that was fast. You know your double facts. And if you know 3 plus 3 is 6, then you will know that 30 plus 30 is 60. Now we can find our sum. Something is equal to 60 plus 12. I can see it too. If I move those numbers together, I see the number 6 and 1 in the tens place. 60 plus 10 is, yes, 70. And then 2 more, 72. Hop, hop. Now we have a you do. Boys and girls, this is your opportunity to show what you learned. You do 62 plus 33. When you're ready, I want you to pause this video and work this problem. When you are finished solving this problem, then you can click resume play. And I'll be here and we'll check your answer. Hi, I'm glad you're finished and you're back. Let's check your answer. 62 plus 33. I bet the first thing you did was expand the number form. Yeah, of 62. Did you get 60 and 2 and 30 plus 3? Woohoo! Good job. Now what's the second step? Yes, you're right. We're going to add down, starting with our ones place. 3 and 2 make, you're right, the partial sum 5. And what did you get when you added 60 plus 30? Yes, I did too. I got 90 because I knew that 6 plus 3 is 9. So 60 plus 30 more would be 90. Or I could have simply said 60 and counted on by 3 times by tens. 60, 70, 80, 90. Now we're ready to solve for our sum. Something is equal to 90 plus 5. Let's move those cards together. Did you get 95? Way to go! Woohoo! Let's dance. So today, before we leave, let's review the 3 hops of expanded form addition. The first thing for this strategy to work, you first must expand each add-in. The next thing you do is you add down each column to find the partial sums, beginning with the ones place. And finally, you add the row of partial sums to find the sum, the answer. In this lesson, you have learned how to add numbers by using partial sums and expanded form. Oh, but before you go, let's do a four-finger check. Give me 4 fingers if you can say, I got all the answers right and I'm ready to serve as a tutor. Or show me 3 fingers if you can say, I got some of them right, so I will keep on practicing. Or show me 2 fingers. I will watch the lesson again to learn. Until next time, folks, happy mathematics!